I am Miss Neela Modi, your social science educator. Children, this is the part 5 of our direction and maps. Children, today we'll study about these things more, but first we will recall what we have studied in the last video. So, let's start with the first thing, that are the things which we are going to learn in today's chapter. So, let's see what are the things we will study. First, we will recall what we have studied. Then we will see about the keys or legend. How interesting it sounds, right? कितना मजा आ रहा है देखने में, that keys or legend कितना interesting है. क्या होगा उसमें, right? Then we will study about the GPS device. Children, you will enjoy this. I am telling you GPS device क्या होता है. You will really enjoy this. Then you will study the hard words. We'll see about the hard words of this chapter. Okay. So let's start with the let's recall. Children, we have seen that what is a map. This is the definition of map. Map क्या होता है? Map is a drawing of place or particular area usually drawn on the paper. पेपर के ऊपर कोई place या कोई particular area का रास्ता दिखाया गया है या उसका how it looks वो draw किया हुआ है of a particular area or particular city or particular region, then that is called map. Okay, it's drawn on the paper. तो किस में होता है? पेपर पे होता है and it's called map. Okay, then we have seen that a map also shows, map क्या क्या दिखाता है? Countries, cities, रिवर्स के भी मैप होते हैं, माउंटेन्स होते हैं, माउंटेन्स के भी अलग मैप होते हैं, वाटर बॉडीज के मैप होता है. आई आस्क यू टू सर्च इट इन गूगल के रिवर्स के मैप सिर्फ देखो, माउंटेन्स के मैप सिर्फ देखो, वाटर बॉडीज के मैप सिर्फ देखो, राइट? सो वाटर बॉडीज होती है, सो उनके अलग अलग मैप होते हैं. देन देर इज अ मैनी अदर थिंग्स जो हर चीज के मैप होते हैं. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स विच कैन बी शोन इन द मैप. हर एक चीज का इंडिविजुअल का मैप होता है. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द कीज और legend. What is this keys or legend? Let's see. A key or legend help us to understand the symbol which have been used on map. मैप के ऊपर जो अलग अलग टाइप के सिंबल्स यूज होते हैं, कीज यूज होती है, that is called key. Now see in this picture that this side what it is given, ये पूरा key है. Now this is a simple, मतलब कोई ये place का कोई जगह का मैप है. It's a simple route map. See, ये जो blue color का water है, this is symbol. तो वो blue color plus symbol. So what is this? It is a key. कि ये यहाँ पे आपको जो blue color दिख रहा है, that is a water. Okay, now green color जो है, this green color slanting line वाला, that is a grass. Okay, so that is again a key. It is called key. Now you can see in the picture that यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट ऑफिस का T है. So this is a symbol of टूरिस्ट ऑफिस. आइसक्रीम पार्लर होता है, उसका आइसक्रीम कोन है. पुलिस स्टेशन का अलग सिंबल है, राइट? हॉस्पिटल का, फास्ट फूड रेस्टोरेंट का अलग सिंबल है. सो एवरीथिंग इज हैविंग इट्स सिंबल विद द कलर, दैट इज कॉल्ड की, विच शोज ऑन द मैप. मैप में ये यूज होता है. एंड व्हाट इज द अदर नेम ऑफ द की? इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ लेजेंड. उसको और क्या बोला जाता है? लेजेंड. सो दिस इज अबाउट की और legend. I hope you have understood it. Now we'll go further with the atlas. See, a book of map is called atlas. मतलब एक बुक में, जो बुक में बहुत सारे मैप्स होते हैं of different countries, different regions, different rivers, mountains, cities. Atlas is a book in which you can see all the maps of different places of the world. See, it look like this, वो ऐसा होता है. And there are many other forms of atlas also. So you can see everything, each and every small thing on in the atlas and you can enjoy reading it. If you are having at home, go through the atlas and see about India's. There are different facts also given in the atlas. So it can be asked children in 1 mark question, what is atlas? So you have to write this. A book of maps is called atlas. Okay. Now we'll go ahead with the GPS device. Children, this GPS device na we'll see today the practical implementation of it also, so that you can try it at your home. Now see, what is GPS device? First of all, we'll understand. Whenever we are going at unknown place और हमको उसका रास्ता देखना होता है या फिर unknown place नहीं हो, known place भी हो, but we want to know its direction or we want to know in which area it is located, then we can find it through GPS. Now what is the full form of GPS? Global Positioning System. What is the full form of GPS? Global Positioning System. So see what it is written. We can find our way to a place or any particular area using the GPS. हम हमारा रास्ता ढूंढ सकते हैं of a particular place or an area using GPS. GPS use करके हम find out कर सकते हैं. Okay. See, GPS device, it can be used in the smartphones also. वो हम smartphones में भी use कर सकते हैं. We can use in our अब तो nowadays तो cars जो होती है children, that also it's so much smart cars हो गई है that it is a GPS device is inbuilt in the car, so we can see the route in the car itself on the GPS device. But if you are not in the four-wheeler, you can find it in your mobile also. You can find it out through any particular laptop or desktop जिसमें भी internet connection होता है, उसमें हम Google Map के through GPS देख सकते हैं. See, today we use GPS to find directions and routes. GPS किस चीज के लिए use होता है? To find the directions and the routes. GPS is used in cars, trains, bus, aeroplanes and ships. हर जगह पे GPS use होता है. Now I will show you today how we can use GPS through my device. Now see children, if we open the Google Chrome, अगर हम Google Chrome open करते हैं, Google Chrome, when we are opening it, यहाँ पे in the ये जो एरिया होता है, सर्च एरिया होता है, there we will write Google Maps. What we will write? Google Maps. Okay. In this, after writing this, यहाँ पे जो Google का पर्टिकुलर होता है google.co.in.maps, वहाँ पे हम क्लिक करेंगे. Here, see, you can see this is गुजरात. पूरे गुजरात का यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है. भावनगर, अहमदाबाद, नियर बाय एरिया, नियर बाय जो प्लेसेस है उसका दिखाई दे रहा है. Now, what we will do, we will write here any place which we want to find. Suppose we want to see our school, countryside हमें देखना है. So we'll write here countryside international school. come यहाँ पे हमको दिखाई भी देगा कि where our school is located, in which area it is located. See, here you can see that countryside international school is located over here. Now we want to know about the directions. हमको directions देना है. Children, it is one option is given in the side about the directions which you can click over there. So when you will click, तो यहाँ पे आपको पूछेंगे choose starting point. तो starting point कौन सा लिखना है? Any starting point you can write अडाजन. अडाजन सूरत से हमको कंट्री साइड का रास्ता दिखना है. So in this map you can see full route. यहाँ पे अडाजन is located. from there to ये पूरा route है countryside school का. So this is how the GPS works. यहाँ पे बीच में पालगाम, then mini वीरपुर. So this is the different ways to reach the countryside. Now यहाँ से भी हम हजीरा से भी सायन रोड से जा सकते हैं. So you can see this, that how beautifully and how smartly it works, and it shows the perfect directions and in how much time you will reach there. If you are going, see here different symbols are given. If you are going through cycle, motorcycle or anything, you have to select that option and then you can see the how much time it will take to reach countryside school. This is how the GPS works, and this is in the Google Maps, from where I have searched it. I have searched it from the Google Maps. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to you. We'll come back to our video. So we have seen that GPS is used in car, trains, bus, aeroplanes and ships. So children, I'll ask you again, means to go through this GPS, how it works through your anyone's phone of your parents or through your particular device you are having at home. Please go through it. You will have very much fun using it, and it will be interesting to you to find different places. आपके घर से countryside का रास्ता देखो, how much time it takes. So it will be very interesting to you to find, and there are many places जो हर चीज उसमें दिखाता है through a symbol, that यहाँ पे आगे जाओगे there is a petrol pump, और आगे जाओगे तो there is a restaurant or anything, whatever it is, whatever you require. So it's very helpful, and you need to understand slowly and gradually that how it works. Okay, so this was all about the GPS. Now we'll go through the hard words of this video. Okay, so hard words are, first is legend, that is another name of the key. Okay, key is also called as legend. Then atlas. Atlas, I told you what is atlas. Book of maps is called an atlas. Then global. Then positioning. Positioning मतलब जगह, कौन सी जगह. Global means worldwide. Global positioning system. Okay, so global and positioning. Then aeroplanes. Okay children, so these are the hard words of today's video which you have to learn and write. Children, here we complete this our chapter. In the next video we will study about the textual exercise, what are there and what's to know about this chapter. So this was all about today's video, and maintain the proper notes and go through your students book and chapter thoroughly, and try to look out about the GPS. Okay, till the next video, take care, study well and stay at home. Bye bye.